flextail gear. Inflatable, zero-seat. Sleeping pad, the flextail gear. Inflatable zero-seat sleeping pad is a revolutionary product for the people who have ever suffered the consequence of sleeping on the ground. Backache. This pad inflates in a mere few seconds, providing a soft and supportive surface that conforms to your body. Furthermore, it is no longer necessary to carry around a bulky sleeping pad that takes up a lot of space because it can be compressed to a tiny size like a soda can or a bag of chips. Let's say you hike till the sun sets. When you finally get to the campsite, it takes just a few seconds to inflate the pad, you lie on it and feel the softness. The only difference would be that you are outside under the stars. The sleeping pad weighs so little yet so strong, and the zero-gravity type fabric evenly spreads the weight, thus preventing back and hip pains. It is also a bit of a funny situation that you feel super luxurious in the woods when a pad that takes just a few seconds to inflate is with you. Power Practical Luminoodle. The Power Practical Luminoodle is no ordinary light. It really is that magic in a tube. This adaptable and resistant LED light can be very easily mounted around your tent, stretched between trees, or simply laid down to light up your camping area. Just think of the times when you were unable to find your candies or your novel, became impossible to read due to the constant flickering around the fire. With Luminoodle, such problems are completely history. It comes with a USB charging port, so there is no need to fret about the batteries being dead when it is already midnight. Additionally, it does not only serve the purpose of lighting, but it also provides an inviting atmosphere at your campsite, which is bordering on movie-like. The ability to bend, twist, and clip it to your gear without fear not only makes it a nice-to-have, but an essential item for both the casual and the serious camper. One Tigris Stella, 4-season camping tent. The One Tigris Stella tent is built to withstand all the elements, whether it's heavy rain or strong winds and even a bit of snow. Its 4-season specification allows you to use it all year round without changing tents. One setup will take care of everything. It is very light but very strong, and with its small size, it is easy to carry, thus making it good for folks who go on long hikes or weekend trips. Think of setting up this tent in a wild and windy area where you can still have maximum comfort and be protected from the weather. The sleeping area has enough room for your gear and moving around, and the air circulation system ensures that there is not much moisture. Therefore, you are waking up cool and ready for the day. It is that rare mix of tough and considerate that makes the outdoor experience less of a struggle and more of a fun ride. Jetboil Stash. Titanium Stove. The Jetboil Stash. Titanium stove is an essential piece of equipment for all those who cannot imagine life without a hot meal and a cup of coffee at any time. This tiny stove is very light, heats water in no time, and can even be folded in a way that it occupies less space than your hand. Just think of the moment when, after the long night of star watching, you pull this out at dawn, and in some minutes you are drinking hot coffee and enjoying the first light of the day over the mountains. The titanium used in making the stove has the property of being very strong, while the weight is very low, and it is designed for saving fuel, so it lasts longer. That means it is an excellent choice for multi-day trips. It is one of those tools that instantly gives you the feeling of being a survival expert, although you are still enjoying the comforts of home. The way it mingles practicality with high-tech design is simply next level for the modern campers. Hikenture Ultralight Inflatable Pillow. Getting a good night's sleep outdoors is extremely hard, but the Hikenture inflatable pillow indeed makes it the other way round. It is a super light and small chamois that can be inflated in the blink of an eye, giving robust support for head and neck surprisingly. Picture, finally, putting your head down after the worn-out hike, but without the disturbing stiff neck morning feeling. It's very tiny when packed, which is perfect for those backpackers who always have to deal with the space and weight. A soft yet firm surface resembles luxury camping even in the wilderness, and it is really amazing to have a pillow that stays constant in the middle of the night as if it was a small victory, which you actually did not know you needed. The comfort that is intended for the pillow does not come at the price of its portability. On the contrary, this pillow bears the truth. HydraPack Expedition. Water Storage Bag. The HydraPack Expedition. Water storage bag is an essential item for long trips in which water is not easily accessible. It has the capacity to store a lot of water, but is not at all bulky, and once it is empty, it can be folded to be flat, thus making it perfect for saving space in storage. Just think of it. You are hiking all day long under the sun, and the only thing that keeps you going is the fact that you have several liters of water ready to hydrate and refresh you without the constant worry of finding a source. Its strong construction can take the abuse of punctures and leaks, so you can just toss it in your backpack or tie it to your equipment without fear of any problems. This bag is not merely functioning. It is crafted to stand the test of real-world conditions from high temperatures to rough trails. Hydration that is effortless becomes the reason every part of your adventure is more enjoyable. Thermocell Patio Shield. Mosquito repellent. Relaxation time is definitely not the time to get bitten by mosquitoes, and the Thermocell Patio Shield is a personal mosquito force field way. An area around you is protected by silent and odorless repellent, which is good for the environment and keeps insects at a distance. Think of it, sitting around the campfire with your pals and sharing stories, with no drinks being spilled while the mosquitoes are swatting. What more can you ask for? It's a super convenient device with batteries, so you can take it anywhere with you, set it up in no time, and it will be great for tents, patios, or picnic areas. It not only drives mosquitoes away, but also brings calmness and comfort to your camping spot. The ability to be in nature without the irritation of insects is a minor, yet powerful enhancement of any outdoor adventure. InstaShower Go Pro Portable Water Heater. The InstaShower Go Pro is the top in outdoor luxury. It is a camping portable water heater that makes warm showers in the wilderness possible. Light in weight, compact, and quick to configure, it takes a basic water container and turns it into a personal hot shower. Picture you hiking all day in very cold weather, and at the end of the day you get to step into a steaming warm shower under the sky. It's like bringing a piece of home into the wilderness. For such a small unit, the temperature control is surprisingly accurate, and the quality of material used means that it will last you many more years of adventure. It is an ideal union of comfort, convenience, and innovation that makes even the roughest camping trips feel like a 5-star experience. The InstaShower Go Pro actually reestablishes the limit of modern camping luxury. Which one would be your first pick? Share your thoughts down below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to catch more in-depth coverage of the gears. Prepare to boost your camping experience.